At the mouth of the Fal estuary is the port of Falmouth, which is the largest port in Cornwall and the deepest natural harbour in Western Europe. Falmouth Harbour is operated by the Falmouth Harbour Commissioners. They manage the Falmouth Bay test site, FabTest, which is a fully consented wave energy test site developed in response to industry requirements for an area to test scale models of wave energy devices in real and dynamic environments. It allows for up to 3 devices to be deployed concurrently, and while not grid connected, it does provide an extremely accessible and cost-effective nursery facility as a stepping stone from proof of concept to full-scale deployment. FabTest has been developed as a collaborative project between A&P Falmouth, Falmouth Harbour Commissioners, Wave Hub, the University of Exeter, Cornwall Marine Network and Mojo Maritime, and is an excellent example of public and private sector organisations working together to deliver within the Southwest Marine Energy Park. The site has generated significant interest from the industry, and a device has already been deployed by Fred Olsen, with other developers planning to deploy in the near future. Falmouth Docks is managed by A&P Falmouth, part of the A&P Group and one of the largest private sector employers in Cornwall. This deepwater harbour has excellent flexible facilities and an extensive dock complex incorporating 3 graving docks suitable for vessels up to 100,000 tonnes dead weight, and 4 wet berths with over 750 metres of wharf space, craneage and a heavy load-out quay. The docks are the largest ship repair facility in the UK. A&P employ over 300 skilled tradesmen and have access to a considerable pool of skills from agency and subcontract companies. Falmouth is a busy working port, handling annually over 100,000 tonnes of dry cargo, 400,000 tonnes of bunker fuel, and with over 20 supply chain companies located in the docks. Over the last few decades, Falmouth has developed close relationships with key equipment and service providers in the marine sector and has become a hub for marine supply chain businesses. In fact, Falmouth has proved to be a real powerhouse of expertise for the marine energy industry, with several specialised businesses offering key services and having impressive track records in the development, deployment and maintenance of offshore devices. A&P Falmouth have turned their capabilities for marine fabrication and repair to marine renewable energy, working with device developers Fred Olsen, Ocean Power Technologies and OWL on the fabrication of wave energy converters. Wave Hub is the largest and most technologically advanced, fully consented, grid-connected site for the testing and development of marine energy devices. This £30 million facility provides shared offshore infrastructure for the demonstration and proving of arrays and wave energy generation devices over a sustained period of time. Located 16 kilometres off the North Cornish coast in one of Europe's best wave climates, Wave Hub provides an electrical hub on the seabed to which arrays of wave energy devices can be connected. Based in Hale, the Wave Hub team have been working with the universities of Plymouth and Exeter since 2005 to collect information on the site's wave energy resources and to create a baseline for environmental monitoring and impact assessment. Wave Hub has a fully consented 25-year lease, an 8 square kilometre test area made up of 4 berths, each measuring 1 kilometre by 2 kilometres and each capable of accommodating 4 megawatts of wave energy converters, and future-proofed with the potential to upgrade to 50 megawatts of generating capacity once components for operating the cable at 33 kilovolts have been installed. Onshore, Wave Hub is linked to the UK's electricity grid via a purpose-built substation next to the proposed Hale Marine Renewables Business Park, with control and monitoring performed remotely from the substation using data transmitted via fibre optic cables within the main subsea cable. A&P Falmouth, with their partners in the local supply chain, can assist in the development of marine renewable devices from concept to electrical generation.